Hi, now we'll show you how to set up the Google Maps Scrapper. Okay, so first of all, go ahead and extract the zip file app, and you'll get an app folder. Now open the README file. Now, first you need to install Python, which you can install from here, and install the Python. And then you need to run this command. Okay, so copy this command, and this Windows R and open CMD. Then you need to run this command. Wherever this folder is located, copy that location and just cd into it like that. Next, you need to run this command python-m pip-install-r requirements.txt. It will start installing the dependencies. And next, you need to get leads. Go to getleads.py and change the data from there. What's there? Okay. So basically, what you really need to do is go to source get leads. And change data here. For example, if you want it from we want to search for marketing engines in Delhi or Gurgaon, just change it here. That location that you're searching for example, I'm searching for this, so I will enter it here. Just save it. And then just run it like that. It will be start getting data, and at the end it will store it into a result.csv file. Okay, so that is how you use Google Maps Scrapper. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.